Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Exness chart to TradingView in mobile. If you want a different charting experience inside the Exness app, switching to TradingView is a quick adjustment. This can make chart analysis feel more familiar and, for many users, easier to work with on mobile. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so all tabs and options are visible before moving to the next step. If your internet connection is a little slow, give it a moment so the interface responds properly. Once you're inside the app, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can access your trading instruments and open the chart settings connected to a symbol. If you don't immediately notice the bottom menu, just look along the lower edge of the app for the Trade tab and select it. After that, tap on a sample symbol. In other words, choose any instrument or trading pair from the list so you can open its chart view. This step is important because the chart settings are usually accessed from within a specific symbol screen rather than from the general home page. Next, look to the top right corner and tap on Settings. This is where Exness lets you customize parts of the chart interface. Depending on your screen size or app version, the Settings option may appear as a gear icon, so keep an eye out for that if the word itself is not shown. From the Settings menu, tap on Charts. This will take you to the area where chart preferences are managed. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the chart-related option, since there may be other settings available in the same menu. Now select TradingView. Once you choose it, the app should apply the new chart style for your mobile trading view. In many cases, the change happens right away, so you can return to the chart and confirm that the new layout is active. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Exness chart to TradingView in mobile. If the update doesn't appear immediately, try going back to the symbol chart or reopening it once to refresh the display. This is a simple setting, but it can make a noticeable difference in how you analyze the market and interact with charts on your phone.